Oh wait. You're watching I Love Vibe, where we show you cool spots to eat. My name is Nate. This is Lakey, and you can't sit on the floor, it's dirty. But we're here at Yoshinoya, and they got their orange chicken back, so we're gonna try it out, but hopefully they got their lobster bowl here too. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, so we're here at Yoshinoya. She loves this place. I actually love Yoshinoya. I grew up on Yoshinoya. They've changed their menu quite a bit ever since I first started going. Before they only had like a beef bowl and a combo bowl. Now they got all these other things. They got anything from orange chicken to lobster bowl. By the way, they don't have lobster bowl here. They do have the lobster bowl in the Topanga location, but damn it, we should have went there. And this location here in DeSoto sucks balls because they don't even have white rice. So if you guys are going to Yoshinoya, go to another one, not the DeSoto one, because they run out of white rice. In the afternoon too. I mean, it's not even like, damn, this girl wants this. As you can tell, she likes her Yoshinoya. She saw it and she got mad because I didn't give it to her right away. Yeah, calm down, girl. Why are you angry, yo? What is this? There's like a bean.
Yeah, it's part of the not-so-fried rice.
Oh.
It's like a bean, whatever.
So we got the not-so-fried rice. I've never had the not-so-fried rice. What up with that, yo? Why'd you do that? You know, you got beef on your arm. Here, eat that. First she's fighting me so she can get to the Yoshinoya. Then she spits it out. After a while she looks at it and she likes it. Crazy. Maybe she don't like the not-so-fried rice because the not-so-fried rice, so normally Yoshinoya comes with white rice, right? That's the staple how you do it. The not-so-fried rice, they put other stuff. But we came here for the orange chicken. I'm gonna get to that goodness of that original beef bowl. So they got their orange chicken here. It's basically just breaded chicken and this orange glaze. It's like orange sweet glaze. So this orange chicken sucks. Well, Yoshinoya, I love you. Stick to your guns. Beef, and then the combo with the chicken and the veggies and the beef. But this orange chicken one, the reason why I don't like this is like, it's like 90% breading. Here, let me break this up for you. It's like, well, it's not 90% breading, but that breading is kind of thick.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, shit. Oh, you're gross, yo. What are you doing? I don't know what she's doing, but orange chicken and Panda Express is so much better. I think when I think of orange chicken, that's probably my go-to. This orange chicken, it's back. It could stay gone for all I care. It sucks. This location needs to get white rice, but you can't go wrong with their classic beef bowl because this beef is just steamed. Like, I don't see that. It's just thin slices of beef, just steamed, and they got onions on it. That's the best stuff. If you guys don't have Yoshinoya in your area, you guys are missing out. A lot of times what you want to do is put some of the red pepper. They have like this like, almost like dyed ginger. Ginger is like not supposed to be red. But together, that's so bomb. And make sure you grab some clam chowder, because it's dank. Huh? Since she's being messy, let's try something. I'm gonna give her some beef, but I'm gonna put some ginger in it. Let me rip this up. Oh. All right, here you go. Let's try the beef and the ginger.
Oh, the ginger fell.
Oh, she didn't fall for it. She just
Right there.
eat it. She's looking at it. She's just like, yo, what is this red stuff? Oh, she likes it. There you have it. She likes it. Yoshinoya, man, is bomb. I love Yoshinoya, but yo, just get the regular beef and the combo bowl. You'll be good to go. All the other stuff's weird. But thanks for joining us today. If there's any other spots you want us to check out, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos like this one. Share this with your family and friends because they'll love it. And DeSoto location, you need to get some steamed rice. Peace.